two different USB drives, one bootable Windows 11 installation USB drive, and one empty drive. You use software called DiskGenius. Download. How to clone the Windows 11 installation drive. This is the software interface. Two USB drives have been detected. Next, you clone as follows. Tools. Clone disk. Select source disk. Choose the source USB drive. Be careful not to confuse them. Select target disk. Choose the target USB drive. Customize the partition on the target USB drive. Copy all files. Start. The above is how to clone a USB drive. This can be applied to bootable USB drives. And here is the result.